Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix search bar in Shopify. So, if your Shopify search bar isn't working properly, follow the steps shown in this video to fix it. Number one step is enabling search in your theme. Simply navigate to admin.shopify.com, log in using your user credentials, then navigate to online store under sales channels. You'll be under themes where you'll have to click on the customize on your active theme. After you click customize, look for the header or navigation section. So this is header. We'll click here and check if the search is enabled. Now, after doing this, you'll have to check for theme conflicts. So you can switch to a default Shopify theme like Dawn to see if the issue persists. Go back from this page and navigate here, then navigate to themes and add theme like Dawn. So this is a default theme from Shopify. You can try to switch on Dawn theme and that could also fix the problem. Now, if the search works on another theme, your current theme has a code conflict. Now, third way to fix this problem is reinstalling search bar code for custom themes. Navigate to your online store, navigate to themes, navigate to actions, then click on the three-dotted icon after Dawn or your current theme, then click on edit code. Now, open header.liquid. So go to the search bar here and type in header.liquid. Click on this. Now, ensure that shown in the description of this video exists here. If it doesn't, you'll have to just copy that code and paste it at the bottom and that would instantly fix the problem. Now, you'll have to also check for search indexing. So if new products or pages aren't appearing in search, they might not be indexed. Wait a few hours after adding product for Shopify to update the search index. Now, sixth way to fix this problem is clearing cache and testing on different browsers. So, navigate to three-dotted icon at the top right, click on settings, navigate to privacy search and services, scroll down, click on choose what to clear, choose cookies and other site data, click on clear now, and that would instantly fix your problem. Now, if the issue persists, contact Shopify support on your theme or your theme developer for assistance. This should fix the Shopify search bar issues and get it working smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.